Good morning, children. Welcome to Computer Class Part 1. Chapter 6 More on ICT. Introduction. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It means computers and other machines help us to do things better and faster. ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. I stands for information. We gain information from computers. C stands for communication. We can communicate with the help of computers. And T stands for technology. ICT and computers are one of the same thing. ICT and computers. Our life has changed so much with the coming of computers. Today, we cannot think of the world without computers. ICT has taken a leap of the invention of modern computers. Uses of computers in our daily life. We use computer almost every day and in almost all the fields. Uses of computers in educational field. School and colleges around the world are using computer and internet technology to teach students. Uses of computers in the business. With the help of computers and internet connection, we can start the new business, we can manage the business, and we can also run the business. We can start, we can manage, and we can run the business. Uses of computer in hospital. Uses of computer in hospital provide many benefits to doctors and patients. Doctors can keep medical records of their patients. Uses of computers in the banking sector. Banks are using computers daily for faster and accurate customer demands. The uses of ATM machines are possible with the help of computers, and they look like the ATM machines looks like computer, and they're actually a computer. Paytm, Google Pay is also an example of internet banking. Without computers, this would have not been possible. Uses of the computers in the home. There are many uses of computers at home. Some people are using it for online classes, some are using it for business, and some are using computers to listen songs and to watch movies. Most machines today are supported by computers like digital camera, microwave, ATM machines, robots. These are the machines which cannot work without computers. It doesn't mean that they have full computer in them, they have CPU, keyboard, mouse, everything fixed inside these machines, small machines. No, they have small computer fixed inside them. All these machines have small computer installed inside them. The computer helps these machines to work better. There are several other machines that have inbuilt computers called embedded computers. Means these machines have small computers fixed inside, that is called embedded computers. And there are many more machines that have embedded computers like washing machines, your sugar test machine, and mobile phones which you are using. These are all an example of embedded computers. The term embedded computer means that the computer is installed inside the device. Thank you and have a nice day.